Dogecoin cost commonly equivalent to $0.0654 a coin, or so they sort of thought. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0646 0.0655, or so they essentially thought. The earlier day close, 0.0650, which sort of is genuinely huge. The change in a real sense was plus 0.0004, plus 0.62%. Or so they generally thought. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Doge incredibly. Dogecoin value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.065, greatest 0.070, most certainly least 0.060, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $0.065. Most extreme 0.070, in every way that really matters, least 0.060 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.065, beautiful greatest 0.070, sort of least 0.060, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.065, certainly greatest 0.070. By and large least 0.060, or so they for the most part thought. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.065, greatest 0.070, least 0.060 in a kind of significant way. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, July 21, cost $0.066, greatest 0.071, beautiful least 0.061 in a sort of huge manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.064, especially most extreme 0.068, certainly least 0.060. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.062, kind of most extreme 0.066, fundamentally least 0.058. Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.063, greatest 0.067, especially least 0.059 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.063, lovely greatest 0.067. Most certainly least 0.059 amazingly. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.063, essentially greatest 0.067, kind of least 0.059, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $0.065 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.070. Genuinely least 0.060, exceptionally further appearance how today's exchanged cost range 0.0646 0.0655 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.068, really greatest 0.073, truly least 0.063, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.069, really greatest 0.074, fundamentally least 0.064, or so they in every practical sense thought. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.066, fundamentally greatest 0.071, essentially least 0.061 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.067, truly most extreme 0.072, truly least 0.062, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.065, especially most extreme 0.070, sort of least 0.060 in a by and large enormous manner. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.065. Especially greatest 0.070, really least 0.060 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.064, genuinely greatest 0.068, most certainly least 0.060, or so they thought. In about a month Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.067, really greatest $0.072, extremely least $0.062. So Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.065, sort of most extreme $0.070, least $0.060, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.067, truly most extreme $0.072, beautiful least $0.062 in a truly significant way. Dogecoin figure on Monday, August 14, cost $0.070 in every practical sense, greatest $0.075, truly least $0.065 in a really significant way. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge conversion standard sort of equivalent to 15.2882 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach 15.2579, 15.4871, the past day's nearby 15.3775, exhibiting how the change by and large was plus 0.0004, plus 0.62%, or so they sort of thought. Change for now 0.0893. 0.58% in an all things considered significant way. United States dollars to Doge cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month in a really significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, July 14, cost 15.385 coins, by and large most extreme 16.667. Beautiful least 14.286 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Monday, July 17, cost 15.385 coins, sort of greatest 16.667, kind of least 14.286 in a very significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost 15.385 coins, sort of most extreme 16.667. Genuinely least 14.286 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Wednesday, July 19, cost 15.385 coins, certainly most extreme 16.667, sort of least 14.286 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, July 20, cost 15.385 coins, by and large greatest 16.667. Truly least 14.286, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 15.152 coins, most extreme 16.393, exceptionally least 14.085 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Monday, July 24, cost 15.625 coins, most extreme 6